Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be talking about Electric Sheep Ultiverse. Now, this project is extremely exciting. There's a huge story aspect to it. There's a lot going on with this project. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, I'm not going to be able to touch on all of it in one video. It's just far too much to fit into one video, but I am going to try to give you all the best ideas that I can. I do have a couple of Twitter links open, things I do want to show you, different things that they're doing for the project to bring it value. So let's just jump on into it. But of course, before we do that, please keep in mind this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss this kind of thing. So with that being said, take anything I say with a grain of salt. Please keep in mind, don't invest just because I talk about something. Please do a modicum of your own research as well and come to your own conclusions. But with that being said, let us jump off. So you can see here, enter the story. Excuse me. Now that's just the intro, and then it goes straight to the story. Now there's an entire story, as you can see, going through the entirety of it. So we've got the organization, excuse me, the worldview. So it's 2102. Basically, there's safety core upgrades. Humanoids are now still widely used for labor. It's just, there's a whole crazy thing going on. There's a cacophony of things. But I'll tell you, before we get back to the website and the story, let's jump over to their social media. There are quite a couple of Twitter links I want to check out that I just feel explain things briefly and well to as to what I'm kind of talking about this project. But before that, we will show you quickly their Medium. Their medium.com is their blog, which has quite a lot of information on this project going on at the moment. You can see quite a lot of info as well, if interested, on their Ultiverse Discord page. Now, we can see here that they've got 144,000 Twitter followers. Total members on here is 109,000. OG is 1.28. Whitelist is over 1.3 thousand. There's just a lot of different things. I like they put all DMs are scams. That's so true. There's so many scam DMs for many different projects like this. And, excuse me. And you can just go through, check out announcements. There's so much cool about what this game is going to look like. And look how beautiful that is. Look how specific it is, too. You see they're shooting a picture, which is so interesting. That's amazing. Go over here. So this is actually their Electric Sheep NFT Twitter, one of the posts I wanted to show you. We can see here, though, that is the one where they have 135,000 following and growing. And Genesis NFT collection of Ultiverse DAO, which is one of their other pages, by the way. See, that has 143,000. That one's doing really well also. So those are, of course, related together to this project. But let's go through it. And it's the moment you've all been waiting for, the reveal of our NFT utilities and benefits. So you can see here, utilities, closed alpha access to Terminus City, 3D avatar, 1 of 1, usable in Terminus. Benefits, other bonus airdrops, including project token and future whitelist. Airdrop of traits, including weapons that are not found on NFT. This is the Ultiverse, as I mentioned. Now, the Ultiverse has some posts. Our Genesis collection of Electric Sheep will offer benefits and utilities only GameFi can offer. First up, it's Terminus alpha testing for holders and in-game avatars for Electric Sheep NFTs. Get ready for some gaming. Do you know in the upcoming multicultural world that is Terminus, the holders of Electric Sheep NFT will form their first residence within that city? Reservations are coming in the alpha testing of Terminus. Can't wait for to test along with holders of Electric Sheep. Table reserved, which I think is so funny, especially seeing that there's like a fighting aspect to this. I like there's like a fighting, there's a food, there's like a restaurant. That's so clever in my opinion. Each Electric Sheep comes with 11 traits that can be mixed, matched, and traded. These 11 traits are made only for the launch, which is very fascinating. You can actually go through, check out the 11 traits are unique of this batch of NFT avatars and will not be recast. Traits and equipment will be given to users who own these NFT avatars in the form of airdrops in the future. All airdropped traits and equipment are included in the NFT and can be traded afterwards, which is really interesting, actually. Holders of Electric Sheep will be auto-whitelisted for future collections, receive exclusive NFT airdrops and token benefits. Why need to own Electric Sheep NFT? Well, you can, as they mentioned, get all those bonuses. This is, the same thing, actually. And so we will jump back over to the website. Now, this is the story area, which isn't so important, honestly, to read through the entirety of it, but I'm going to give you the basis. So they became a general, Electric Sheep became a general name for both humanoids and augmented humans. Now human society still facing serious conflict. Three major organizations of the world government, the company, and the gangs. And that is, the gangs, the company, and the world government form a balance of power through resistance, infiltration, and repression. Now these are your characters. Oswald and Reynolds, desperate to find Ceres for disparate reasons, were destined to become mortal foes after their friendship crumbled. The reunion of Aaron and Giles is accompanied by a complex interplay of emotions as Ceres becomes the answer they seek. Eve, in accompanying Ceres, keeps recalling memories of her past that provide clues about Sisyphus. The three organizations shape and control the world's landscape, but Ceres' disappearance has shaken the balance of power. Now, that's why Ceres is so important. With the inexorable happening, the peace of the world is shrouded with doubt, which is very interesting. So that's mostly what the story is. You can actually see here, if you click through all of the different characters we just talked about, by the way. Now, personally, I think Aaron and Giles look super cool. I love the robot mouth. I love what they've got going on there with those wild designs. So I think that's just really cool. Now, the benefits, we talked a lot about them, but got a little list of them. So you've got the avatars, you've got the access to Terminus and the Endless Loop, tokens, airdrop, of course, for the governance token, NFT airdrop, airdrop Terminus land deed, and then a couple of other utilities to be named and to come, essentially. And again, we started out at home, right, which is just sort of to enter the story, telling us a little bit about the intro, go through story, benefits, and roadmap, and then gives you the social media, which we did just check out. Now, in regards to the roadmap, they've got a nice, clean one, and what I love about this website, there's not much to it, but it is nice and clean. That's what I really like about it. So, phase 2 is what they're in right now with Electric Sheep Utilities reveal, Electric Sheep website launch, but then they've got the mint of the NFT next coming, Electric Sheep NFT mystery box revealed, Electric Sheep on-chain gameplay start, Terminus closed alpha testing for Electric Sheep holders, first airdrop for Electric Sheep holders, and Terminus 3D avatars, NFT airdrop for Electric Sheep holders, future benefit announcements, auto whitelist for future collections, and exclusive NFT airdrops token benefits. But my friends, this is Electric Sheep. It's a really interesting project for sure. As I mentioned, go check them out here on Twitter to find out more about them. Oh, and then you've actually got the Ceres, the painter NFT as well, they've got their own Instagram, Twitter we're on, which is actually very fascinating as well. I actually overlooked that earlier, to be honest with you. But my friends, this one is extremely exciting. I really love this project. Just wanted to talk about it because it gave me such a fun, futuristic vibe, and they even say it's visually distinguish the difference between humanoids, augmented humans, and you really can. They clearly allow that. They put a lot of time and effort into this. But my friends, this is Electric Sheep Ultiverse. Not multiverse, Ultiverse, which I like. But as always, thank you for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. Please do check out Electric Sheep, and I will see you in the next episode.